hate, not that I'm a hater, but I hate any earpods type thing. I don't like them. I've tried those like weird ones with the rubber. I've tried the normal ones. If I shake my head hard enough, they're just gonna fall out. What if I like lay down? What if I fall asleep in the bus and then it falls down, falls into the floor? It's too small. I'm not gonna find it again. No. No. Lay down. What if I fall asleep in the bus and then it falls down, falls into the floor? It's too small. I'm not gonna find it again. No. No. Also, it hurts my ears. I don't like anything in my ears. I don't like putting them in. So I like put them like a little bit looser. Maybe that's not. Maybe it's a user error. What if I like lay down? What if I fall asleep in the bus? What if I like lay down? What if I fall asleep in the bus? What if I like lay down? What if I fall asleep in the bus and then it falls down, falls into the floor? It's too small. I'm not gonna find it again. No.
Flying noodles party. Oh, flying noodles. We can eat as much as we want. What if we just don't give it to the kids? What if we just don't give it to the kids? What if we just don't give it to the kids? What if we just don't give it to the kids? Never float down. Oh my god. Are you one of those people where you don't want to uninstall something unless you finish the game for sure?
Yes. I'm a hoarder, like in real life. So it's like, I shouldn't uninstall it because what if I need it someday? What if I need it someday? What if I need it someday? What if I need it someday?
I uninstall games right after collabs if I feel like we're not gonna touch it ever again.
Oh, do you? I never uninstall anything.
For collab? What the heck? You don't?
No.
What about your like Photoshop thumbnails? Do you clear that out?
Oh, never. I've literally never deleted any of the thumbnails I've made in the last
I'm
3
scared
years.
of you.
I hate, not that I'm a hater, but I hate any earpods type thing. I don't like them. They never actually stay in your ears. They always fall out. I'm gonna lose them. Have you seen me? Why would you trust me? Well, yeah, no. And I've tried different types. I've tried those like weird ones with the rubber. I've tried the normal ones. If I shake my head hard enough, they're just gonna fall out. What if I like lay down? What if I fall asleep in the bus and then it falls down, falls into the floor? It's too small. I'm not gonna find it again. No. No. Also, it hurts my ears. I don't like anything in my ears. I don't like putting them in. So I like put them like a little bit looser. Maybe that's not. Maybe it's a user error. And then they'll just like ploop out. And then I just don't like the feeling of stuff in my ear. Like, you know, those like plug ones, the ones with rubber or silicone or whatever. Don't like that either. But worst case is, what if I want to take one off? What then? I can't just take it off and then it dangles. You have to put it into the little tiny bag. Also, the tiny bag for the earpods is also tiny, which I'm also gonna lose. And then it's so small. And then the only good thing about earpods is that some of the cases are very cute. That's the only good thing. Also, I'm gonna forget to charge them. They're never gonna be charged. I don't like them. Because what if I'm leaning against the window in a bus? And then my ear leans against the window? Or like a pillow or something? And then it presses the headphone deeper into my ear. That would be awful. I have to take it off. And then I have to put it into a box. And then I have to first I have to open my backpack, take out the box, open the box, put in the earpod, close the box, put it back into my backpack, and then close the backpack. Do you really think I'm gonna do that? It's gonna end in me like I take it out and I just throw it into the bag. And then I'm never gonna find it again. Okay, sorry. So dramatic. I'm not being dramatic, I'm being honest, okay? It's the truth. And anyone who's using earpods, you're insane. Ice cream shop, come to our ice cream shop. Come and try a bunch of flavors, you will not regret it. Ice cream shop, come to our ice cream shop. Come and hang out at our ice cream shop, it's called Let Just Ice, haha, get it!